your prediction?
My prediction is Terps will romp all over it.
How long did it take you to get here?
Actually, not long at all, about 40 minutes.
And what's your prediction?
We're going to win by 15.
What's your prediction?
We're winning. We're winning. A win.
I heard you walk barefoot through the snow to get here. Is that true?
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Here for today's game, featuring the North Carolina Tar Heels and your Maryland Terrapins. Introducing the starting lineups for North Carolina. At forward, a 6'9" senior from Torrance, California, number 21, Dion Thompson. Forward, a 6'7" senior from Roswell, Georgia, number 1, and forward, a 6'10" freshman from Torrington, Connecticut, number 20. At guard, a 6'4" sophomore from Baltimore, number 14, Sean. To the action. We ask
I need your analysis of the first half.
Well, let's see. We're up by 10. I predicted a win by 15. I think I'm right.
today's final score, Maryland 92, North Carolina 70.
I should have said at least we'll win by 15. At least 15. You're out of control, Sam.